In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Fonts in Email Builder in GoHighLevel. To get started, open your email in the GoHighLevel Email Builder and make sure you're in the editing view. The goal here is to bring in clean, on-brand typography using Google Fonts. Then apply it directly to the text you want to style. First, select the exact text you want to change. Click and drag to highlight a headline, a paragraph, or any portion you want to restyle. Highlighting matters because the font change will apply to whatever is selected. If nothing is selected, some editors apply the font to the entire block, so it's best to be precise. With your text highlighted, look for the font's control in the editing toolbar or the styling panel. This is where you control typeface selection. Click it to reveal your current list of available fonts. By default, you'll see a handful of common options, but we're going to expand this list with Google Fonts so you can keep your branding consistent. Next, click Add Font. This opens the Google Fonts picker inside the builder. Here you can search and browse a large library of web-safe typefaces. Choose the fonts that align with your brand, such as Roboto for a clean, modern body copy, or Montserrat for bold, geometric headlines. While you're selecting, consider readability on both desktop and mobile, and think about pairing one font for headings and another for body text to create a clear visual hierarchy. Try not to add too many different families at once. Two complementary choices usually look most professional and keep your email lightweight. When you've made your selections, click Add Font again to confirm. This action adds those Google fonts to your personal font list in the builder, making them easy to reuse across future campaigns and templates. Now, return to your highlighted text, open the font's control, and choose your newly added font. The change should apply instantly, so you can see how the style affects spacing, tone, and overall readability. A few quick tips as you finalize your look. Keep contrast high for accessibility, especially on mobile. Use consistent font sizes across similar elements to avoid visual clutter. And stick with common weights like regular, medium, and bold for best rendering across devices. Most email clients handle Google Fonts well, but if a subscriber's inbox can't load them, the builder will fall back to a standard system font, so your message remains readable. That's it. Add your Google Fonts, apply them to highlighted text, and you're good to go. Save your changes, preview the email, and send with confidence.